Save big on Valvoline services with exclusive coupons and promo codes. Are you ready to take care of your vehicle and save money at the same time? In this video, I'll guide you through the easiest way to grab amazing Valvoline coupons, promo codes, and discounts to ensure your car gets the top quality care it deserves, without breaking the bank. Step 1. Visit promosaver.net. Simply head to promosaver.net or click the link I've included in the video description or comments below. It's your ultimate destination for unbeatable Valvoline deals. Step 2. Choose the best discount for your needs. Browse through a variety of promo codes and pick the one that fits your car maintenance needs. From oil changes to engine services, there's a discount waiting just for you. Step 3. Apply the code at checkout and enjoy incredible savings. Once you've selected the right code, use it during checkout and watch your total drop. It's simple, quick, and hassle-free. Why pay full price for essential car services when you can save so much with just a few clicks? With Valvoline, you're not only getting industry-leading expertise, but now also amazing discounts that make car maintenance affordable and stress-free. Take the first step to smarter savings today. Click the link, grab your coupon, and give your car the care it needs while keeping more money in your pocket. Your car deserves the best, and so do you.